friends, very good evening. This is Sushant Shetty. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel Speak with Sushant for more updates. Today, I'm making this video with a true purpose that most of the youths in the present generation have been addicted to a lot of video games, mobile games, computer games, because of which their entire life and career is going to be diminished. But the fact is that today there has been an important decision which is taken up by the central government of India to ban one such incredible game which has actually killed a lot of students, killed a lot of youngsters. That game is none other than PUBG. As you all know, more than 30 to 35 million downloads of this particular game, which is around 2 GB, has happened within India. And it's not one, two people. 90% of the people in this 30 million are addicted to this particular game more than an alcohol or cigarette or any bad habits. It's such a big addiction. Friends, previously India had made an attempt to ban TikTok and several other apps, like around 108 apps. But in that list, there was no PUBG. I felt really bad because of this, but my brother felt really happy. You know why? He was a PUBG player. He is also addicted to PUBG. He used to play PUBG day and night. Right now, he's in engineering and classes are off. So he thinks it's okay. He just passes his time playing PUBG. But it's not just a time pass. It has been an addiction to him today. But that day I was very sad, and what I realized later is I need to make a video requesting our PM Narendra Modi not only to ban only this 108 apps, but also to ban one more app, PUBG. Though this application was not banned that time because the core application had been designed from Korea, and from there it is from China, and then it is, so there is an integration of countries, because of which government did not take a proper decision, and later it was all about economic relations and all that. But today this decision has come because of the patriotism. Reason being, China has attacked the borders of India. The India-China border has been attacked, lot of Indians has been killed, and even China's people have been killed. Today all treaties are broken between India and China, and finally they have come to a decision of banning almost all the Chinese app. And today banning PUBG is a really superb decision which I should salute the government of India. I also request and urge the youngsters and the people of information technology who are bringing out these technologies to not bring any parallel app to this application, because for TikTok there is a parallel application called Mitron. For PUBG there should not be any alternate application, because if some application like that comes, maybe making a Desi app can bring you economically, make a person who designs it economically better. Also it might give some profit to the country's economy, and also some profit to the Play Store people. But the fact is, there is more loss than the profit incurred indirectly. Reason, it is simple reason. The simple reason is that if a lot of people use this PUBG, and basically youngsters, whatever young minds you want to build the country, they are getting addicted to this particular game, and they are losing their complete career. Some people are committing suicide. You would have heard of this Blue Whale game, because of which many people had committed suicide. And also PUBG, there is people have died without drinking food, without taking food, water, nothing. They have died. So that is the implication of this PUBG game. I humbly request the entire youth fraternity to actually not design any parallel game to PUBG, because it is going to affect the country a lot, really a lot. And I thank the entire government, especially Narendra Modi, for making this wonderful decision of banning PUBG completely from India. And I hope in future you don't bring this game back after your relationship between India and China goes well. Please don't bring it back, because we don't want PUBG. Maybe youths want, but I am telling, as a citizen of India, please don't bring this game back because it is going to spoil a lot of youth. Thank you very much. Namaskar.